Without the truth, there's no light. Without light, there's no path from this darkness. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right.
I'm Anthony Lorenzo Green, and I am the current organizer of Black Lives Matter DC. We can say it, we can claim it, and we can speak loudly and clearly that Israel is an apartheid state. It is time to end settler colonialism. It is time to end the ethnic cleansing. It is time to stop the genocide. It is time from DC to Palestine, from the river to the sea, that Palestine will be free.
Palestine, it's 8:15.
I understand power.
Wednesday night, the kids give me a call. Nothing urgent. Just wanted to talk to you. I thought the article, at least the thing online, was going to be printed one time. It was good. I think it's clear.
Dreams really do come true. Someday you wish upon.
I understand power.
Why, if our scarecrow back in Kansas could do that, the crows would be scared to pieces.
They would? Where's Kansas?
That's where I live, and I want to get back there so badly I'm going all the way to Emerald City to get the Wizard of Oz to help me.